Well, this is the boat top that I'm building for the 24-foot Morgan. It's all of that high density foam. And really flimsy. I mean, it's got two layers of 1708 on there right now. The bottom's not glassed, or this is the top, so the underneath is not glassed yet. But I got these all these fiberglass pieces from old boat molds from an old boat manufacturer. And lo and behold, this piece, I don't know if you can see that. Let me stand it up. You see, it's got that curve to it. I put it up there on that curve, and it's the exact same curve. So what I'm doing, I'm cutting it down. I'm going to put it on there like that. And then that will stiffen the back up. And it'll be almost perfect to hold that curve that I need. Cut it down a little bit. And then I'm also thinking, when I cut it, I'm going to cut it here. I'm going to use this piece for a gusset, because I haven't made any gussets. So I think I'll take the router on the underside and route a channel out, because there's no wood or nothing in there, and then put that piece as a structural brace. I might do that a couple of times. I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but I'm gonna give it a try. We'll see what's going on with it. If anybody has any suggestions or ideas, please let me know.